this video, I'll show you how to lock a voice channel on Discord mobile. So if you wanted to make a voice channel inaccessible for whatever reason to the server members, then this is how you do it. So press and hold on the voice channel that you want to lock, and this menu will appear. Scroll down and press on Edit Channel, and then tap Channel Permissions. From here, make sure Basic View is selected and enable Private Channel. Then press Yes. So if we come out, you'll see that the voice channel has now been locked. And there's also a second way to lock the voice channel. So if we edit the channel again and undo what we just did, if you now come to Advanced View under the permissions, then press Everyone. If you scroll down the voice channel permissions, under where it says Connect, if you just press the red cross, that's also going to lock the voice channel. As you can see, it's locked. So if you found this useful, please like and subscribe.